So this is my new idea for a way to capture content, which is to utilize my drive home as sort of a, not venting, but we can say venting, and just talk about it, We'll hit on the guitar project. Where we're at with the guitar project right now is we're waiting for all the nitro to shrink or dry and exhaust all the fumes and vapors off of it properly so we can sand and polish to the final coat. Now there's some problems with the finish where it has blushing that I don't think I'm going to be able to get out, just due to, I think it's between the first layer of clear coat and the paint color. So that's going to be very hard to get rid of. My bad, lessons learned. But yeah, so far, what have we learned? What have we done? This is kind of a recap of where we are and to try this new style. So where we're at, we got a Telecaster. We completely gutted it. We removed all of the nitro from its original body, cut a arm bevel, cut a belly cut. I made a mistake with a router trying to do a round over bit on all the binding, but we were able to patch that. We covered the holes on the back for the string through because we're going to be placing a Bixby on it, so we don't need that anymore. We don't need those holes. So now we have done that, sanded it really well, put grain filler in, did a layer of primer, 3 layers of primer, then we did base coat, green. Hindsight, I wish I would have had a colored primer so that the green would have been a little easier to cover. But it's on there good. Looks good. We did 3 sets of 3 nitro sprays. And each time, making more and more mistakes. But now we've learned, that some of the mistakes were caused by the environment, which is the shop humidity. Because before now, I'd never had it. I never tried to do a climate control in the shop. I only ever just had the door wide open with a fan blowing. But that shop is so hot. Here, look. This is a picture of the thermostat. That shop is so hot you can't even work in there. And because it was so hot and because there's no humidity control, that's what caused the blushing. So I'm learning a lot of stuff along the way, but it's definitely going good. There are good things happening. Now, what are we going to do going forward? Our next step is to make the pickups. We're going to try to wind the pickups. We're going to build the parts. We're going to try to build my lathe into being a pickup winding machine. Of course, it's going to be scatter wound. I don't know a way to automate the back and forth, without buying something for it. But the whole point of this is just what can I do with what I have or what I can get easily available. So we're going to wind the pickups. There's still some more research that's got to go on because I'm kind of confused as far as, I see a lot of guys talking about polarity of the magnets matter, winding direction and hum canceling with your neck and bridge and all this different things that, everything at first before you do it seems so surface level and elementary, but then you get into it and it's like so deep, so much deeper than you imagine it to be. So that's where we're at with this, which is awesome. I'm so happy about it. And I keep working, as I do these things, I realize, I need more stuff. Like, as I'm spraying this clear coat later, I find out, I should probably try to climate control and dehumidify this apparatus. Just the more that I work on this stuff, the more I find that it's deeper than I imagined. But I keep making steps to improve, for the next time. So that's how, as long as improvements being made, that's kind of the main thing. So that's where that's going. So yeah, just keep hanging out and follow the journey. I appreciate everyone who is following along right now. It's awesome. I mean, I'm having a lot of fun. I don't have a lot of time, and I can definitely see where my speeding is kind of causing issues, at least as far as, I'm so eager to get the clear coats on. What does that cause? Oh, I have little blemishes or this and that. Not just blushing, but, overspray problems or orange peeling or whatever, the typical stuff you're going to have. But anyway, we're just going to keep the journey going. And again, I really appreciate everyone that has been watching and hanging out. It's just fun. I enjoy making videos and I enjoy, people talking. So yeah, thanks for hanging out again for the third time in this same exact video. And we'll try this format. Maybe this will be the way I recap stuff because it's fun and I like making videos. So hope you have a great day. We will catch you on the next episode. See ya.